Hi, I'm Lizzie from Jewellery Making School. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make some fabulous shamrock earrings. So for this tutorial, you will need 2 head pins, 2 eye pins, 1 pair of ear wires, 2 clover beads, these are 12mm, and 2 clover beads that are 8mm, and 8 xilions. These are Swarovski crystal bicones, and they're a sort of gunmetal silvery colour. So what we need to do first is take a head pin and pop on a crystal bicone, followed by a clover, followed by another little crystal. So you've got those 3 there. Now we need to cut about almost a finger. I know everyone has different size fingers, but I tend to kind of have the bead here and then put this up against here. I reckon that's about 7mm, and cut that off, making sure it doesn't fire off and hit someone. You then take your round nose pliers and you bend the wire, the head pin, to 90 degrees, like so. And then at the end, you make a loop with your pliers and bring it back round the other way. So we have a little loop there. And I'm just going to straighten it up a little bit with my flat nose pliers. Okay, so there we go. So that's the first bit. We then take an eye pin and just going to open it slightly. I suppose you could do it the other way around as well. You could hook this loop onto the eye pin before fully closing this loop. But I've done it this way around. Then you close this loop here with your flat nose pliers. A little bit fiddly. Just straightening that as well because that's a little bit, feels a little bit wonky. Right, so there you've got those 2 attached now, and then you need to add another crystal. Oops. There we are, another crystal, the smaller clover bead, and the last crystal. Okay, so you've got those 3 on that one. And you've got a little bit left there. I'm not going to cut that because that's fine. That's about 7mm, I'd say, and about the right size to make a loop. So we're going to do a 90-degree angle again, like that. Then I'm going to grab the wire at the end with my round nose pliers, and I'm going to twist it back round. Like so, to form a loop. Now before fully closing that one there, I'm just going to attach the loop of the earring. Do you see? So those 2 are together, and then I just need to close this loop here in order to secure it. Again, a little bit fiddly, so just take your time. and that's just tucked itself behind, so I'm just going to pull that out just so that it's sort of straight. Right, there we are. So there you have your first earring. Okay, so head pin, crystal, clover, crystal, and then a loop, and then the eye pin, crystal, clover, crystal, a loop, and the earring wire. And there you are. So we're just going to make the second earring now. So crystal, clover, crystal, cut the head pin to about 7mm. I like to pop it down into my foam bead mat just so it doesn't ping off. And then round those pliers again, 90-degree angle there. Make a loop there. Now, before closing it, I'm going to attach the eye pin this time. And then close that one there, like so. Boop. There we are. Okay, and then crystal, clover, crystal, yeah, and then we're going to make another loop, 90 degrees, back towards yourself. Keep that loop open so that we can pop the earring hook on, like so. And then we're going to squeeze this loop shut to secure it, if it behaves. So I've just squeezed that closed there. So now that is all attached. There we are. Oh, how fab are they? They look brilliant. Love them. Ta-da! What do you think? Ah, oh, those are so cool. Happy with those. Hey. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make your shamrock earrings. If you liked this video, please like, comment and share. And thank you for watching, and see you next time. If you liked this video, please like...